All right, so I did my thing on off-season basketball workouts. I mean basketball. So this is the off-season section. So I chose chin-ups, pull-ups, and push-ups. Those are all pretty simple exercises everybody can do. Helps your upper body. Basketball, yeah, you think of it more legs, but you need your whole body, and upper body is important. And chin-ups, pull-ups, and push-ups help build strength in your biceps. You need your biceps for things like shooting from farther away, finishing in the paint, um, taking the ball from somebody. So that works. That back also important. Same thing. Use your back to finish around the rim. For the bench press, we're focusing more on that back. So I'm going biceps are always part of it, but it comes with an accessory muscle. So I go from we hit biceps start off, then we go to we go to chest. We go to chest. The bench also does more things than just chest, but main focus is chest. Then bicep curls, hit more biceps for more strength. Triceps extensions. You hit the triceps. Triceps when you shoot the basketball like this, you use your triceps, biceps, legs, and they all come together to help shoot, finish around the rim. Um, the accessory lift. The accessory lifts, I did the incline bench. Was good to target a different part of your chest because you just don't use one part of your chest. So incline bench, a part of your chest. That was 3 to 5 reps. The overhead press work more upper body, work more triceps. Skull crushers. The way we did it when I play basketball is we'll do a skull crushers. Again, it's the same movement as most jump shots. You're just doing it in reverse. So we're strengthening the tricep muscle. Um, yeah, the tricep muscle gaining thing. So skull crushers. We also have that with the way I do it, and known skull crushers. After you do skull crushers, you do like 5 or 10 push-ups. So I did those because you're getting best of both worlds, triceps, biceps, you're getting it all in one exercise and it mimics that motion. Then plank core is very important in basketball. As you see in the rest of some of these things, I always try to implement like type of core exercise because it's very important in basketball. It's not really talked a lot about, especially when you're driving or a big man or a guard and you got to finish around taller. You got to find taller the offenders. And if you get bumped in the air, you won't have as good as body control. So it'll help with body control in midair. Just overall help with your finishing, which I feel like a lot of people don't talk about. Core. Core also helps with your jump shot. If you're able to elevate and keep stable and sturdy, it'll help your shoot. So a plank, then I did a walk, and then I did a dead bug. Give your abs. I chose this order. Give your abs a little bit of a break. So I try to give breaks. So give your abs a little bit of a break until before you go back to it. So you would plank for 2 times for a minute, then you'd walk a mile, and then you would do the dead bugs. Again, we're hitting the abs, core. Core is very important. Uh, Tuesday we did lower body. Lower body we did wall sits. I chose the wall sits because it's a defensive position already. So when you're squatting and lean back, for those of you who don't know what it is, it's a exercise where you put your back against a wall and you squat to like a 90-degree angle and you hold it there. So when my players are going to hold it there for a minute, that that's because that's the defensive stance you want to be in. You want to be low to the ground, sliding your feet instead of standing up. So make it harder for the defender to blow by you or get past you. And also, the lower you are, the closer you are to the ball, you're able to reach and steal and react faster. And then box jumps and predatory basketball, you jump a lot. This box jump will also help on your form. And hopefully they're doing this for 3 to 5 reps. I mean, three sets, 5 reps. Excuse me, 3 sets, 5 reps. So the whole point is to like, and also like we'll be able to work on their jumping form to fix their form to help them out, and they'll just practice jumping because basketball you're gonna jump a lot, a lot, a lot. Especially if you're a big man for those rebounds, you're gonna have to jump and jump and jump. And then guard, if you want to out rebound the big man, you have to jump higher than they are. They already have the advantage on you. So for for that, after that, we would do jump ropes. Jump rope, just a little cardio thing. Warm up again is jumping. So I chose this because like you're doing all the practical, like all these workouts has something to do with a movement you actually do in basketball. It's not some random thing I just threw in here for the sake of it. So you're doing all of these in the workout. So jump rope, when you have to do those quick second jumps, say you miss a layup as a big man or something, and you have to quickly jump back up. So these exercises will help just quickly jump back up. That's why I also added squats. Squats are for explosiveness. Basketball is use a lot of legs in basketball. A lot of legs. So from running, cutting. So I try to add those kind of exercises to help with explosiveness in the legs because basketball just it's always a fast-paced game. Like you're rarely sitting, still or rarely resting. So we did squats for explosiveness. The thing I was talking about before, when you need to jump back up quickly, that squats will help with that. Then I did seated calf raises. Calves seem to be some people I see are in the NBA or something. They have calf issues, like calf strains and other things. So we're trying to strengthen it, trying to strengthen the calves. So we do seated calf raises. We do those till failure actually. So till failure, you just can keep going, keep going, keep going till you can't do them no more. And then we do lateral squats again because lateral squats you're in a defensive position. You're just gonna keep going because it's gonna work on your side to side speed. So to help you with the defense, lateral squats also will help with that. So split squats again it'll help you with your explosiveness, especially when you're ready to run and get in that position to start the fast break. You get in that position, you run. The glute bridges, glutes are also very important that not a lot of people talk about. It'll help you with balance and explosiveness. Like a lot of explosiveness comes from the glutes. So we would like to strengthen that up so you'll be able to explode faster and have sharper cuts around the ball. And if you have the ball, you'll be able to explode and drive a direction past your teammate, past your defender. So you'll have more options, be a more lethal scorer. And then the opposite, say if you do get beat, you have that explosiveness and speed to catch back up to the defender to either cut him off, block him, contest it. So yeah, then we did seated leg press. So leg press, same thing, just up with explosiveness. Oops. Figure eight is when you make an 8 and you just keep passing it and make an 8. I chose this with lower body because some coaches, I know mine, they made crazy requirements. Like you had to get down on the court and make a layup in like 3 or 4 passes. So you had to be on your game, and they would time you to see how long. So just to help with the fast breaks and other things, and it'll be normally with a weighted or medicine ball or something. Then you would jog, build that stamina. Then butt kickers is a good way to like stretch, unwind, relax. Wednesday upper body, medicine ball pushes. When you take a medicine ball push against the wall and catch it, this is good because basketball, when you pass, that's the pass motion you're making. So you're passing, be able to pass the ball farther and sharper without it floating in the air so the defender can't catch up to the person trying to throw to. If it's a quick pass, the quicker they'll be able to put it up. Reverse flies back, of course, we're strengthening the back, just different variations. Lat pull down again, strengthening the back. Barbell rows again back. So today is mostly a heavy back theme, while the other day I did more chest and triceps and biceps. So we're giving the other things a break a little bit. And We did sumo deadlifts. I know deadlifts are lower body, upper body. It's a whole body workout to me, so I feel like it's a good thing. So when you do the sumo thing, you'll get in that position and explode up, help you with rebounding. Um, dips again. We're working triceps. Triceps are important for shooting and everything else in basketball. Decline bench. We did incline. Now we're doing decline, another part of the chest. Cool down, side plank. Abs are important for control, finishing, everything else. So you need to hit abs. Abs can be done almost every day. So we do a side plank, working not just the rectus abdominis. There's more. You have other abs. Jogging, of course. Jogging is something light. Then at the end we do a mountain climbers. We do mountain climbers because it's working on the part of your abs. Suicides, basketball, you do a lot of running up and down. So of course suicides, because it's part of the game. You're always going to be running up and down. So just getting the players conditioned. 2 times full court, burpees again, cardio and conditioning and explosiveness. Be able to go down and then shoot back up. Shuttle run is for the quick change of direction that basketball has. Say a steal happens, a block happens, a pass randomly comes to you. They're just a play where you have to make sharp cuts. Some plays you have to wrap around screens and make sharp cuts and do all the other things. Alternating lunges, explosiveness, jumping squats, explosiveness, front squat, explosiveness. So this is very like explosive day. And seated leg presses, again, for explosions, to be able to explode off that ground. Help you get second chance points. If you miss, you can quickly jump up before everybody else or higher than everybody else. Split squat, same thing. Sprint is running full speed in basketball in the fast break. Then jumping lunges, again for explosiveness, and leg curls to build the hamstring. Hamstrings can be a big problem in basketball, and everybody seems to pull or hurt there, so we're trying to strengthen them in the off season. Kettlebell swings, another full body workout. Figure eights again. We'd walking just to get the blood flowing. Cardio, get ready, and then we hit goblet squats. Goblet squats again. Goblet squats, you also get in that explosive stance. So most of my things are for explosive stance. Romanian deadlifts, whole body. Battle ropes are a good full body exercise. The stamina, strength, and bird dog, more abs. Side plank, more abs. Jumping jacks, be able to jump. My in season, warm up, medicine ball pushes, pushing against the wall, help with the pass. One arm extension, you use one arm to do floaters, to do layups. So you got to strengthen your arms individually and together. Negative pull-ups is to help with pull-ups, working your back, but negatives, you hold that contraction, your muscles are contracted longer. Underhand able pull downs, of course, help again with your triceps. Medicine ball B-ups, another ab workout. High knee raises again, just to help with that, loosen them up, warm them up. And medicine ball Russian twist, abs again. Medicine step ups, get that like jumping, because you jump up with one leg, so we work strengthening one leg. One leg calf raises, single leg hip bridges. Again, we're working on the hip flexors. Everything else very important. Change of direction, explosiveness. Face pulls. Again, we're working on that back. Rope tricep pull down triceps. Skull crush, you know that. Medicine ball shoulder presses. Getting them up. Burpees. So all these are pretty much gone over. Pistol squats again, great single leg exercise. Work on the strengthening one leg. Karaoke's just to warm up their bodies. Get loose. Hip abduction, of course, work on the hip flexors. And then the rest of these I've explained. Then the kettlebells again. So yeah, so I put abs in a lot of these because abs are very important. So I feel like you can do them almost every day. And yeah, that's my workout.